Hello and welcome to Top 10 Insights. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more powerful health and lifestyle videos. If you enjoy this video, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. And to all our amazing European viewers, thank you for your support. You're truly wonderful. Let's dive right into today's Top 10. Want to stay strong, flexible, and energetic every day? This 5-minute routine includes 10 secret exercises you should do daily, perfect for mobility, strength, and anti-stiffness. Let's get started. Number 1. Crab pose. Strengthens arms, glutes, and core. 1 minute. Start with the crab pose. Sit with knees bent, hands behind, and lift your hips up. This move strengthens your glutes, triceps, and core while improving coordination and balance. Hold for 20 seconds, rest, repeat twice. Number 2. Sitting wide leg adductor stretch. Improves hip flexibility. 1 minute. Sit down, open your legs wide, and lean forward slowly. This stretch targets your inner thighs and hips. It improves flexibility and prevents stiffness. Hold for 30 seconds, then gently pulse for another 30 seconds. Number 3. Bridge pose. Setu Bandhasana. Builds core and spine strength. 1 minute. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Push your hips up to form a bridge. This exercise activates your glutes, hamstrings, and core, and also improves spinal strength and posture. Hold for 20 seconds, lower, repeat. Number 4. Lying scissors cross. Tones. Lower abs and legs. 1 minute. Lie on your back, lift both legs slightly, and cross them over each other like scissors. This dynamic movement tones the lower abs, thighs, and hips. Do 20 reps slowly, rest, repeat for 1 minute. Number 5. Kneeling plank. Boosts core stability. 1 minute. End with a kneeling forearm plank. Keep your spine straight, abs tight, and hold the pose. This simple exercise strengthens the entire core and improves body stability. Hold for 30 seconds, rest, and repeat once. Number 6. Cat-cow stretch. Improves spine mobility. 1 minute. Move into a tabletop position for the cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arch your spine, and lift your chest. Cow. Exhale, round your back, and tuck your chin. Cat. This flow improves spinal flexibility and reduces back stiffness. Alternate for 1 minute. Number 7. Standing side bends. Strengthens obliques and spine. 1 minute. Stand tall with arms overhead. Slowly bend to one side, feeling the stretch along your waist. This move strengthens obliques and increases lateral flexibility of the spine. Alternate sides for 1 minute. Number 8. Wall angels. Improves posture and shoulder mobility. 1 minute. Stand against a wall with arms up like goalposts. Slowly raise and lower your arms while keeping them in contact with the wall. This exercise corrects posture and improves shoulder range of motion. Repeat slowly for 1 minute. Number 9. Seated spinal twist. Releases lower back tension. 1 minute. Sit with one leg bent over the other. Twist gently towards the bent knee. This gentle twist releases spinal tension and massages abdominal organs. Hold for 30 seconds per side. Number 10. Calf raises. Builds lower leg strength and balance. 1 minute. Stand tall and raise your heels to balance on your toes. Slowly lower down. Calf raises improve ankle stability, circulation, and leg endurance. Do 15 reps, rest, and repeat for 1 minute. Well done. Doing these 10 exercises daily keeps your body strong, pain-free, and flexible. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay active and healthy. Just 5 minutes a day makes a difference.